Hello. An interesting model has come out. MiniMax H3. I've already added it to Imbutus. In the media section, third in the list. Let's take a look and run through it. Renting a GPU for this model costs about $2 an hour. You won't see this log. It's only for me to debug the installation of all the packages. Okay, the model has loaded. Let's see what we have here. As always, under Workflows, in the Examples folder, all the available workflows for this bundle. The first one is image to video. I'll just upload something now with the default prompt. It talks about a mouse here, but let's see what it does. Overall, the workflow is simple. An image, a prompt, generate. It works quite fast. The duration here is set to 5 seconds, so the video will be short. Since the prompt has nothing to do with the image, it chose to follow the prompt and ignore the image. Reference to video. I'll upload 2 images. What matters here is the 2 images, the prompt and the settings. Let's find the duration here. Duration, let's set 10 seconds. Resolution, duration, prompt and images. You can also copy the image node and add another image, and you can add a video reference as well. I'll refine all of this later. For now, this is the official version, but you can edit anything you want. It's entirely your GPU. Okay, here we go. Ten seconds takes longer already, though there are two references here. You can add video too, and video with audio. I'll refine this workflow to make it convenient. Let's see what we got. All right, this is a quick overview, so I won't dig into research right now. Let's move on. The last workflow is text to video. It's all simple here, a prompt, and that's it. This is the default prompt that came with this node. As we can see, you can also connect first frame and last frame images. In short, I'll keep refining these workflows. They're raw, since the model came out
Результат.
That's it. Goodbye.